Thank you.
It's 8:19 in the studio, 43 now in Denver. Beautiful day out there. This is the day the view here is pretty darn good with those snow-capped mountains out there and downtown looking nice and clean. Yesterday was a big old brown cloud down there, but pretty clear today. Looks like it's going to be a good weekend as well. And all of a sudden, my office, some people might think this would be like a bad dream or something to have 3 dentists looking at you at the same time. But actually, it's very good. All my friends from Aspenwood Dental are here. Hi, Ron.
Hi, good morning, Rick.
How are you?
Excellent.
Were you at the game last night?
Unfortunately.
See, I was thinking this morning, he's going to be at the game and getting up early to come in with me tomorrow morning. Well, thanks for coming in. Hopefully this will be much better than the game was.
Yeah, the Avalanche just didn't show up last night.
Boy, they didn't, did they?
No.
So how's things?
Things are great.
Yeah?
Yep. We're getting a lot of patients that are coming over, and what I love about this is when they walk in the office and they say, "We are personal friends of Rick Crandall." And I'll say, "Oh, how do you know Rick?" And they'll say, "Well, I listen to him every day." Your listeners feel that they are your personal friends, and I'm very impressed with that.
Good. Thank you. That's what we try to set out to do here, so I'm glad it's working. And I'm likewise have been getting a lot of calls and emails, as you know, from people who are our first-time visitors to the office. In fact, I had a lady call yesterday who has not, you'll be seeing her soon. She's not been to the dentist in a lot of years, and she's been really apprehensive. She said, "Okay, you finally convinced me this is the place for me." So you got another one coming your way to take care of.
We'll take good care of him, Rick.
I know you will. All right, now, Dan, good, I've got you right there. Dan Zeppelin here with us as well. So when I do the commercials and I talk about you guys, it's kind of limited in 60 seconds there because you guys do a lot of stuff there.
You know, we really do, and we've had the pleasure of doing a lot of different types of things for your listeners.
Yeah.
We've had, KZW patients come in and see us, and some have just needed general dental care.
Yep.
Others have needed dental implants. Some have needed, fillings, crowns.
Sure.
So we really try and provide a broad range of services that can meet just about anybody's dental needs.
Yeah, excellent. Implants, I think people have been, for whatever reason, they get it in their head that it's out of their reach and it's something they can't afford, or perhaps the process is going to be so long that, they're not patient enough to deal with all that. But that's all just old, bad news. I mean, you can work with folks on getting that done.
We really can, and that's a big thing that we try and do is look at options. We don't want to be a one-size-fits-all. There are some dental implant treatments that may take longer time or may not be in somebody's budget, but then there are also a lot of plans that we can tailor to somebody's individual needs and what they want to do. Yep. We really try and look at those and fit the person.
It doesn't really cost you anything to come and at least find out what's going on in your mouth and see what you guys can do to help, right? We'll get you a free exam, a consultation anyway for coming for a new patient for calling.
Sure, we're here for the long term, Rick. We're here to take care of people with their present needs and to continue on. Yep. We're not a franchise or a corporate clinic. We are a locally owned business. We've been here for over 35 years, and we plan to be here with with our younger dentist in here for another 35 years.
Good.
So it's kind of like your radio station and your radio program. Yep. People have listened to you forever. Yep. And they're going to continue, and that's the way we want to taper our dental treatment.
Now, down here on the other end, Lisa's down here, Dr. Augustine, and this is Larissa's new best friend down here now. Our granddaughter, Larissa, has started having all of her dental work done at Aspenwood as well, and she actually, when we tell her it's time, in fact, she'll be in next week, I think, and she doesn't mind at all. She likes coming to see you.
We have a lot of fun together. I love that kid.
She's pretty cool.
She is.
She's all right. So tell me about that part of it, about trying to put patients at ease and make them comfortable. That's a big part of what you do, isn't it? It
is, and that is one of my greatest rewards of being in dentistry, because I'm not a big, scary person, and I don't want my patients to feel nervous or concerned to be there. And some patients will tell me they think it's kind of weird that they get excited to come to the dentist. And I tell them that's not weird at all.
Yeah.
That's the way we want it to be. And, we see the younger patients, the littler ones. And if we can start them off with a good experience, I think that's something that carries through. And I have patients all the time, adults that come in and, we'll sit down and have a heart-to-heart, and they'll tell me of experiences they had decades ago that just really stay with them and haunt them.
Yep.
And I've had patients that we had to start out doing everything with them sedated. And it's such a reward to see them get to the point where they can come in and feel comfortable and not have sweaty palms and just come in and get their work done, and then, maintain and take care of it. That's one of my favorite things about being in this field. Yeah,
I bet it is. And she does a great job. 303-751-3321. 303-751-3321 is the number. So from back in the day, Ron, when you first started with like mallets and vice grips and whiskey for antiseptic, back in the dark ages. I'm teasing you.
Hasn't been quite that long.
It's amazing what advancements. I mean, technology has affected every aspect of our life, including dentistry.
Oh, it has. It has. And what I've seen in the past 40 years is just amazing. I can't even imagine what's going to happen in the next 40 years, for instance.
Yeah.
The computer technology that we have now, where a patient that needs a crown can come in and have that crown created in 2 hours in the office through CAD/CAM milling machines and computerized design, is just phenomenal. Wow. It really is. It makes it easier for the patients. Things are more comfortable.
Yep.
It's just not like it used to be back when we treated the ancient Egyptians.
Dan, nothing beats good preventative care, though, right? And it's like your car. If you take it in for a tune-up every year, and we're more inclined to do that than we are to take care of our own dental health.
Absolutely. That's the thing that's going to save people the biggest, both time and cost along the way, is just getting on a regular maintenance plan, just like with your car.
Yeah.
We want to see at a regular interval, whatever that may be for you, and just keep things on track so that you don't have the big problems develop.
Yeah. In the coming days and weeks, we're going to be sharing more stories from KEZW listeners who've become patients over at Aspenwood, or even KEZW listeners who have been longtime patients, because I do hear from a lot of people when I'm out talking around town, you've only been going there 12 years, I've been going there for years. And, everybody wants to one-up you, which is great. When it comes to this, it's great. If you've not been there, call for an appointment and just visit with these three fine folks, one of the three, and find out what's going on and get yourself on the right road, okay, at Aspenwood Dental Associates, the Colorado Dental Implant Center, 303-751-3321. And today is their day off, so they all got up and came in to visit with you to let you get to know them a little bit better. I appreciate you coming in today.
Well, thanks for having us, Rick.
Of course. And I'm looking forward to I've got an appointment scheduled to come over for a cleaning, so I'll see you guys pretty soon.
We'll see you soon. We look forward to seeing your granddaughter.
You got it. Yeah, I'll be in next week with her. Have a great holiday.
Thanks.
Thank you. All right. There you go. They're the best at this, I'm telling you. Get in there soon. 303-751-3321.